So now I want to show you how to send money to friends and family on Venmo. Now we're here currently on the Me tab of our Venmo account where we can see our balance. Typically you will start on the home page of the app. So you're going to have a page that looks just like this. Now what we actually want to do is click the pay/request on our Venmo, which is going to be right here at the very center. So once we tap on here, it is going to have a page that looks just like this, where at the very top, it's going to ask you to type in a name, username, email, or phone number. You can also scan or show a QR code, which will make things a little bit faster if you're in person. Now here you can see there's going to be top people. These are typically people that you've already sent money to, but if you haven't sent it to anybody yet, all you got to do is go ahead and start typing in that information, again, either by name, username, email, or phone number. Hopefully they have a picture for additional verification on there. But what we're going to do is go ahead and type in a person's name and then go to the next screen. So once we typed in the person's name here, it did populate with some different people, but we found the person that we wanted to send the money to. So we're going to tap on their name. So from here, it's going to show you their photo and their name, as well as this little plus sign. So something to keep in mind, you can go ahead and actually split the amount of money you need to send to people all at once instead of doing everybody's account individually. So from here, you can see it's going to ask you how much you want to send. For this example, we're going to go ahead and do $5.50. And then it's going to ask you what this is for. So you can go ahead and type in anything you want. And then for our example, YouTube video. And then you can click on pay. There's also this little box right over here. If you actually click on here, what this is going to show you is different options if you want to go ahead and do a gift wrap. We're not going to go ahead and do that for our example here today. So we're going to click on the back button. So now we're back here. We can go ahead and click on the pay button. Now here on this page, you're going to see a couple pieces of information, things that we do want to keep in mind. So first and foremost is privacy. If we see this right here, we're currently set to private. If you tap over, you're going to see different options. You can have it public, friends, or private, which is our default. And this is going to be where people can actually see you sending money to other people. If you don't want that, you can leave it at private if that's what you're currently at. If you don't mind, you can hit public or even have friends, and you can see the differences between those. Now the next spot here, you can see it says Venmo and then the balance. If you don't actually even want to use your Venmo balance, you can see the different options here, but because we're sending an amount that is exactly under our Venmo balance, it's just going to have us go through there, but you can actually choose from other accounts if needed. And then right over here, you're going to see where it says turn on for purchases. If you are buying from somebody else, there is going to be a fee for the seller. So something to keep in mind, this is usually for buying something from another person and needing to have additional protection, but that person should know that they are being charged that fee. So let them know, or if it's a business, it will automatically do that for you. Now, if everything looks good here, we're going to click on the pay button down at the bottom. And just like that, you can see right over here, we ended up paying the person that we sent the money to. Our Venmo account balance went down right away since we sent that money. And since this is on private, it's only for the person and myself to see, but they can actually heart and comment on this post. So that way you can, get notified that they received it if you needed extra verification or anything else they wanted to let you know after having received that money. Now that you've learned how to send money, once you've actually received money from other people on Venmo, I want you to learn how to withdraw your money from the account. So check out my video right over here on screen.